Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. This is my design team project digital kit from Kerr Happiness and Crafting. I have selected for my June design team project, and I love this digital kit. This kit is Oceanic Adventure, and G recently did some tutorials, craft with me's if you will, that she was doing on this same kit, and I had selected it before I saw her doing that, and so it was kind of intimidating because she does such beautiful work. But I'm moving forward and I will be creating with this. It is an absolutely gorgeous kit. The first page has, it's like mermaids and fish and some sailor stuff. Look at the puffer fish, just absolutely beautiful digital. And then I printed the backing papers, so I did it double-sided. Aren't those beautiful? I mean, this kit is just fabulous. And I put this here because I thought this eyelash trim went really pretty. On camera it looks more black, but it's got yellows and greens and black and some mauve-y colors that kind of reminded me of seaweed, so I wanted to incorporate some of that, I think. Here's a page with the fish. Pretty, 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 as are all the kits. This is a backing paper with the coral. Here's a ship and some coral and seashells, and a music sheet here, the mermaid song. Isn't that pretty? G's kits are so pretty, you just don't have to do a whole lot to them. I hate to even cover some of them up because they're so pretty, and I may not. Here's the Mermaid Cove. Oh no, Mermaid's Cave. And there they are, floating around in the water and sitting on the rocks. And then there's some seashells and a bill of fare to go to an oyster and chop house, which is really cool. And then some more backing paper. Gorgeous. Here's the cute puffer fish and the coral with the seashells. And I love just the layering of this, all of these pages. You have the beautiful backgrounds, and then the top layers are so pretty. And then this is a backing paper. I kind of mixed up 3 different ones. It's another ship with a bell and an anchor and a mermaid, seashells, backing paper. Here's some sailors standing on the cliffs with their little boats where they've come to shore, and they're going to go to this chop house and eat them some oysters. Backing paper. And here's the menu at the oyster chop house, I think. And then you have a seahorse and a seashell and squid. Aren't these pretty? Love, love, love them. And here's like a sailboat. I think that's what that is. And coral and beautiful background pieces. Backing paper's the same. So here's another beautiful page. Sleeping side by side is the song, and then there's a fish, mermaid here, and the same backing page. It's got a lobster. Here are some of the ephemera pieces. Full of ephemera this kit is. Here's 2 envelopes, and they have the same images on them that the pages do. Little mini journaling cards that are super cute. all coordinating with the kit. Some larger journaling cards. Some more here. They're like miniature pages. Two more journaling cards, and then the little portal things from a ship. I love the way she did those. You've got 6 large ones and 2 little smaller ones. Love those. Here's 3 large tags and some little labels and little circles with fish. They pretty. Here's a large envelope. This, my printer prints funny, so I have to print 2 pages of a lot of them to get both sides to be right. So this is 2 journaling cards, the sailor, and then there's the one with the sailboat, but it cut off that edge, so I had to print it again so it would print this side correctly, because as you can see, it cut that side off. I don't know why it does that, but it always takes me quite a while to get my pages printed out correctly. Here are a lot of little journal cards and tuck spot things. Aren't they adorable? Love these. And some smaller tags and little pockets. I say tags, they're like, yeah, they're tags. I want to say like the little banner shapes, but that would be upside down. And then this is some more journaling cards and some circles. Love these. They all look nautical. I've got another one I had to print out so I could get this page right and this end right. As you can see, I have to shift the sizes. So that, my friends, is the Oceanic Adventure digital kit from G. Kerr, Happiness in Crafting. So I will be getting this done and be ready by the end of the month, and I look forward to digging into it, and I thank you for watching. Go get this kit. It is fabulous. Remember too that I love you guys. You are loved. The Father loves you, and you make a difference in everyone's lives as you go about your day. Whether you make a difference for good or for bad is up to you. But I want to encourage everyone to make a difference for good. And I think that we all want to do that. The world has gotten to be such a crazy place lately that we can sow kindness and love everywhere we go will help the world be a better place. And I don't know why I threw all that in, but I felt led to do that, and so I did. So have a great night. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.